Good morning. Bonjour. Hello. Welcome to Get By in French. We're now on to lesson 4. So you've done introductions and greetings. You've done how are you called? What's your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment tu t'appelles? The last lesson we looked at how are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment allez-vous? And you learnt how to say je vais bien, ça va bien, très bien, comme ci, comme ça. This lesson is numbers. Now numbers are so useful. Numbers 1 to 10. The reason numbers are useful, just a few examples. Prices, dates, times, addresses, and of course telephone numbers. Don't forget all of these lessons you have the PDF downloadable handout. So let's look at the numbers. I've put my board this way round because we're going up to number 10, so it's quite a long list. So number 1 is un. 2 is deux. Trois is 3. 4 is quatre. 5 is cinq. 6, it looks like our English 6, six. 7, sept. 8, huit. 9 is neuf. 10 is dix. You may be surprised if you've ever done any French at all or heard people speaking that often the last consonant is silent, so they don't really pronounce it, like un, deux. Trois is also cinq. You're not really hearing the end. Cinq a little bit you are, but six you are. Sept you're hearing the T. Huit is a bit of a tricky one. You're almost like it's squeezing your teeth and it's like a W sound. Huit, huit. Almost like our crop, the wheat. Huit. Neuf you're pronouncing the F, and dix you're pronouncing the X. Let's just read them through in sequence. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Now, how might you use these? Well, you might want to go into a pâtisserie, boulangerie, a cake shop or a baker's, and order some croissants. So you might want un croissant, deux croissants, trois croissants. I'd recommend trois because they are délicieux. So if you had one croissant, to see it written down, it would be croissant, and then as soon as you make it plural you'll have the S, which is why that's there. Okay, so that's your numbers. Other places you might use them are prices. In fact, the price of a croissant in the boulangerie could well be €1. You may have seen euro. So the sign for the euro, the word is written like this, as you've probably seen with football matches, the Euro, European Cup, Euro, but you say it €1, and that's the sign for it. You might also have it for dates. So today it's le quatre. Le quatre of the month is June. Le quatre, for example. Times, it might be 9 heures, 9 o'clock, neuf. So you've got €1, you've got le quatre for the date, and then you've got 9 heures. You might use it for addresses as well. Numéro 10. So where does someone live? They live at number 10, numéro 10. And then of course the other thing will be for telephone numbers, but that might be for another lesson, okay? So there you've got your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bonne chance, good luck. À la prochaine.